Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing good and welcome to the most awaited session. So finally we have come to the session on logarithms, and today we are going to have a lot of fun learning the concept of logarithms in not just one session but two. So today at 1 p.m. we are starting off with this particular log basic session, and at 8 p.m. tonight you will again come back and we'll have the logarithms advanced session. Okay, so guys, welcome Jagadish, Madhavi, Kirito, Saurav, Valmik, Sai Reddy. Welcome guys. Yes, a very happy Dasara to all of you. I hope you guys are having fun at home, and now that you guys are here for this log session, let us have a great time guys. How many of you are excited about today's session? Can I see some thumbs up in the chat? Can I see some Josh in the chat guys? Quickly. Hi Sneha, Rishabh, Mr. Boy, Jitendra, welcome Bharani. Very good Bharani. Glad you got better. Hi Pratik, welcome back man. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So nice to see all of you here. So guys, it is going to be a power-packed session. You have to stay with me throughout the next 1 hour. We are going to learn brilliant concepts, and you will see that your logarithms will be better at the end of today's session. Okay, so shall we get started people? What do you say? Shall we get started? Yes? Brilliant, brilliant. So let's continue, and before we get into the session, as always, for those who are coming here for the first time guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now, and I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and I'm basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, I've helped some guys get into top ranks. So in 2019 JEE Advanced, some of my students got All India ranks 38, All India rank 41, and now here I am in YouTube at the JEE Enthuse channel to make you guys toppers, isn't it? So now everybody is able to access this brilliant high quality education. So it is your job now guys to put in the hard work and reach that rank you deserve. Okay, very, very good. Pranav is saying, Pranav, don't worry, we will make it high. Okay, so guys, how many of you have done this? Did you all do this? Did you all like, share and subscribe? How many of you have done that? So I hope everybody knows that the Enthuse family has crossed 5,000 subscribers, and it was possible only because of you guys, only because of the love and support you have shown us. So continue to do so, and whenever you feel like someone needs it, do share it with them, because we are teaching right from the basics up to the JEE Advanced level. And like I promised, we are here now with the logarithm session. So shall we get started? Yes, Michael, it is already uploaded. Look at the last lecture, advanced level problem solving. The flash extracts that we promised you has already been uploaded. Okay, do check it out in the description of the previous video. So shall we get started guys? How many of you are excited for log? How many of you want to study right from the basics, right from the scratch? Because that is the way we can master anything. Okay, so let's get started. The first and the foremost thing, whenever we study about log, we need to be good at our exponential form. So first of all, when I say exponential form, what do I mean by that? When I say exponential form, what do I mean by that? Let's have a look at it guys. Okay, quickly. So exponential form means nothing but, let's say 2 to the power 4. That is equal to, you guys know that. How much is 2 to the power 4? Can you all let me know? 2 to the power 4 is nothing but 16. I can also say 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. So these are all called as exponents. So whenever I write like this form is called as my exponential form. Are you all clear with it? Exponential form, which we studied in our lower classes. Everybody must be thorough in that, isn't it? Because guys, this exponential form and logarithmic form are best friends. They are best friends. So they go hand in hand. It can be converted from one form into another form. And that is what I'm going to teach you first, because if you want to appreciate log, if you want to get better at log, you need to realize how they are related to exponential form. Otherwise, you will just be memorizing formulas, you will be memorizing methods, tricks. You will never learn what is the concept of log. So to understand the concept of log, you need to get better at exponential form. And that is exactly what we are doing right now. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to convert from exponential form to a logarithmic form. How do we do that? So whenever you have an exponential form, let's say I gave you an example, 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Everybody knows that. Everybody was happy with it. But now, how do I convert this into a logarithmic form? The logarithmic equivalent of this will be log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. How many of you knew that? Isn't it beautiful? So this is how your exponential form and logarithmic form are related to each other. They are best friends. One form can be converted into the another. And don't worry, I'm going to make you practice. First, note it down. Everybody clear with this? How to convert between an exponential form to a logarithmic form. We are going to solve questions based on it. I hope you guys are all following it. So let me give you another example. So let us say 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. How do I write it in logarithmic form? Can you do that? This is the exponential form. I want its best friend, logarithmic form. Can you guys please do that? Yes. Can you guys please do that? What will I get? I will get log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. Are you all able to understand that? Very good, Madhavi. That's absolutely right. That's absolutely right. Yes. Pratyush will come to that. And Olivia, the use of log in real life is to reduce the scale. For example, this is a good question. The reason I didn't go into that is because I wanted straight to come into the content. I want to give you guys the mathematical concept behind logarithm. But since you have asked it, I will tell you, because I want you guys to be excited about maths. Because math is not about just studying things and not applying anywhere. How many of you know that to measure earthquake? How many of you know that earthquakes are measured with the help of logarithms? The measured value is represented with the help of logarithms. Did you know that? The second thing, do you know that pH value? The pH value of a solution, in chemistry you study, right? The pH value of a solution is also given in terms of logarithms. Isn't that brilliant? Isn't that brilliant? So these are some of the biggest applications of logarithms. They are used in real life. So it is not just something we do for fun, something we do for marks. No, we do apply it in real life, and I've given you a few examples. I hope you guys got it. So everybody comfortable with this? Everybody comfortable with converting from exponential form to logarithmic form? So shall we move forward? Can I give you some questions now? Please do it, guys, all of you. Try to solve this question. I want everybody to try it and let me know in the chat right now. I want everybody to try it out and let me know in the chat. Quickly, guys. I want this exponential form. I hope everybody agrees that this is an exponential form. Okay, so now I want to convert this into its friend's form, which is logarithmic form. So how do I convert this into a logarithmic form? Can anybody tell me? Yes, guys. Yes, you are all absolutely right. Brilliant job. So when I convert this into a logarithmic form, it will become log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. That is how you do it. That is how you do it. But wait a minute. Till now we were doing numbers. Numbers is for 10th standard people. When you come to 11th and 12th, you should be good at variables also. You should not be like, sir, give me example, give me numbers. I have done that already. Now I'm going to take you guys to variables. I am going to show you how to convert any general exponential form into any general logarithmic form. Shall we see that? Everybody ready for it? So I want to teach you guys how to convert any general exponential form into a logarithmic form. So let's have a look at that, guys. That will give you a better idea. But one more question so that everybody is comfortable. Slightly tricky one. Slightly tricky because now I want you to convert from logarithmic to exponential. This is logarithmic form. I want you to convert this into exponential form. What is the exponential form of this? That is the question for you. Please do it, guys. Let me see some answers. Not possible? No, Jagadish, it is possible. Check carefully. Very good, Hitesh Mehta. Very good. Piano with Aditi is also right. Very good. Satvik Sri Harsha. Brilliant job, guys. So when you convert this logarithmic form into an exponential form, what happens is you write it as 8 to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.125. That is how you do it. So this is the exponential form whose logarithmic form is given here. Are you all clear with it? Now, are you guys able to follow? Is this basic clear? So this is the background. This is the history of logarithms. This is the background and history of logarithms. I hope you guys got it. Now, moving on to the next form, which is the standard general form, how to convert from exponential to logarithm. So this is the way you do it. Let me give it in a bigger writing so that everybody can see it and follow. So when you have a to the power b is equal to c, this is called as exponential form. So how do I write this in logarithmic form? I will write it as log c to the base a is equal to b. Do you all agree? So make a note of it. Make a note of it because this is your general form which will never ever let you down. It will never ever let you down. Okay? Everybody got it? Brilliant guys. Amazing. So guys, extracts for the quadratic equation chapters is already uploaded in the description of the last video, which was advanced problem solving. So please go check it out. Uday is saying the extracts was amazing. Thank you, Uday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's go ahead. Now, I want you guys to tell me, is this statement true or false? Is this statement true or false? Can you guys please let me know? Quickly, guys, all of you should answer. I want everybody to answer. Please think about it and tell me. So Vinay is saying no, Pranav, false. False. One true is there, one more true is there. So few of you are saying true and most of you are saying false. And as you guys have guessed, the answer is false, guys. The answer is false. What is the correct answer? Can you tell me? What is the correct exponential form? Can you guys tell me? So if this is the logarithmic form, I want you to tell me what will be the exponential form equivalent to this. The exponential form equivalent to this will be very good. It is 10 to the power a is equal to x. But they wrote something else. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Are you all clear? Everybody, those who answered true, I hope you guys understood it now. I hope you guys have understood it now. So let's move forward to the next part that I have for you. Yes, let's go for it, guys. Moving on. The next one which I want to teach you is some of the basics of exponential function. Now we are talking business. Now we are talking 11th and 12th. Till now what we did was child's play. Till now what we did was 9th and 10th standard level. But now I'm going to slowly take you to 11th and 12th standard. So please listen carefully, guys. Please listen carefully. What do I have here? A to the power x is equal to y. So this is called as my exponential function. This a to the power x, na? So that is called as my exponential function. Got it? Now there are certain rules to be followed. The first rule is my a should be positive. My a should be positive. This is pakka needed. Okay? You can take it as a rule. I am giving it to you as a fact. A should always be positive. The reason is if a is negative and if you raise it to some fractional power like this, will it be defined? Will it be defined? Very good, Vinay. Vinay, you are absolutely right. Sai Reddy is correct. Surya, yes, we do have many Tamil people here, Surya. It is not defined now. So that is why A can never be negative. So negative, you forget it. A is always positive. So can I say, if A is always positive, your Y will also be always positive? Do you all agree with me on that? If you agree, give me a thumbs up, give me a yes, give me a hi Josh in the chat right now. Very good, Saurav. Brilliant, guys. You guys are super smart. You guys are super smart, and I'm able to see that in the chat. Very good, very good. Pragya, that would be complex numbers. We are talking about real numbers. Got it? So that is the reason, Pragya. I hope you got it. A can't be negative because then when you have fractional powers, it will be undefined in real numbers. Uday, you take it as a fact as of now. A should be positive. Got it? So now Y is also positive. So why am I telling you all this? Why am I telling you all this? Because the same, when it is converted to log, will also be holding true. So for example, if I convert this to log, what will that be? Do you guys agree? It will be log y to the base a is equal to x. Do you all agree? So whenever I have a log function, whenever I have log of something to the base, don't you agree both this and this must be positive? Both the number as well as the base should be positive, because I just showed you that a should be positive. That means the base should be positive. I told you y should be positive, and hence that number also should be positive. This is very, very, very important. You cannot forget this. You cannot forget this. So if someone asks you, guys, what is the log of minus 2 square? You should say that is a very, very foolish question. You are wrong. You should be able to say that. You should be able to say that, because this is utterly wrong. You cannot do this. You cannot do this. Are you all clear? Exactly. So that experience, that confidence you will have only when your basics are strong. That is why I ask my students not to memorize formula, not to memorize things in logarithms, because at times you will not know what you are doing. You will just do because the formula is given. Understood? I hope you guys got it. Thank you, Jaswant. Everybody clear? So let's move forward now. So coming to logarithmic function, so whenever I have log of x to the base b, I know that x must be positive and b also should be positive. I hope you guys have understood it. I hope everybody has understood this, because from this I'm going to build it to the next level. I'm going to build it to the next level. VSG, awesome. Hindi, I don't speak, man. I'm from South India. I am from Chennai, so my Hindi is very bad. Okay. So let's move forward, guys. So let's move forward to the first note. How many of you agree with me on this? Did I tell you? Did I show you why this is very important? Do you all agree with me on this? Yes? Everybody? No, Valmik, just now I told you, logarithm of a negative number is undefined. Logarithm of a negative number is undefined. So if you have log of x to the base b, then x cannot be negative. X cannot be negative. You should be very, very clear with that. I hope everybody got it. Very good, Kirito. That's absolutely right. So shall we move forward? Very good, guys. Brilliant job. So moving on. Now this is a very fun property. I want you guys to think about it. Do you think this is true? Do you think this is true? Yes, Baba Yoga. That is allowed. That is allowed. Absolutely allowed. Good question, Baba. So now everybody is saying, yes, sir, this is true. Yes, Valmik, we will come to that. Don't worry. Yes, everybody agrees that this is true. Why is this true? Why is this true? Because a to the power 0 is always 1. Do you all agree with me on that? So whenever you have any number a, if it is raised to the power 0, it is always equal to 1. Did you all study that in your lower classes? Did you all study that in your lower classes? No, Saurav, 0 also is not valid. It has to be positive. We all studied this, isn't it? Now, can you convert this into logarithmic form? This is exponential form, right? This is your exponential form. I want you guys to convert this into log form. Can you do that for me? I have taught you that, and now you realize the importance of converting between them. Now you guys should realize the importance of converting between one form into another. I hope you guys got that. Very, very, very good, guys. Brilliant. Brilliant. You guys are super amazing. You are following literally every word I have told. That is impressive, guys. That is the attitude you should carry always, not just in this channel, in your regular life as well. Okay. Now coming on, what do we have here? When I convert it to log form, I will get log of 1 to the base a is equal to 0. So that is exactly what is given here. The logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Now everybody got it? Very, very good, guys. Brilliant job. So let us move forward. Yes, Vinay, a is not equal to 0, but we already did that now, Vinay. Base should always be positive. So you are right, Vinay. Base should always be positive. Are you guys clear? So shall we move forward? Very good, Valmik. Brilliant. The Josh should always be high. So moving on. So this is the explanation which I have given. So this will be available to you in the notes. This will be available to you in the notes so that you guys are finding it very easy to follow. That is the reason I have explained it. So please do utilize the notes. It will be available in the description right after the class. Okay? The same explanation which I gave right now. So let's move forward. Do you guys agree to this one? How many of you say that this is correct? How many of you say that this is also true? Are you guys agreeing with me on that? No problem, Yash. Welcome, man. Glad to have you here. Very good. Suhas, I will give you the printed notes, man. This PDF will be available to you. Everybody is saying yes. Valmik is saying no. Valmik, why, man? It is correct. It is correct. Okay. Don't worry, Valmik. I will help you and I will teach you how to prove this. Don't worry about it. So now coming to this question, do you guys agree? Sirish, theory, don't worry. I will explain it. Very good, Prashant. Do you all agree any number to the power 1 is equal to a, the number itself? Do you all agree? Very good, Jagadish. Very good, Madhavi. You guys are super amazing. Kirito also is right. All of you correct? Everybody good with this? Brilliant, guys. Amazing. Veer Shah, don't worry. Watch it from the beginning. You will follow and you will become a legend in logarithm. So guys, if I convert this exponential form, this is exponential form, right? Can you convert it to logarithmic form? Can you guys convert this to logarithmic form? What will I get? I will get log of a to the base a is equal to 1. So that is exactly what is mentioned here. The logarithm of any number to the base itself is equal to 1. Don't ever forget this. Don't ever forget this. This is an important property. So till now we have done 2 good results. Please make sure you remember them. Please make sure you remember them. Very good, Yash. Brilliant. So shall we move forward? Yes, yes, yes. Brilliant, guys. So let's go ahead and have a look at the next explanation that I have for you. Why is log of any number to the base itself equal to 1? Because x to the power 1 is equal to x. Just now I gave you the reason. I hope you guys are clear. I've given you examples as well. So if you want to write, let's say 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. This, if I convert into log form, I will get log of 5 to the base 5 is equal to 1. Similarly, log of, if I have 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10, this can be written as log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So I hope everybody has got it. Very good, Gairik Roy. Brilliant. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So let's move forward to the next question that I have for you. Can you all try this out? Everybody try it. Now we have a list of questions to solve. I want all of you to try it along with me. Exactly, Madhavi. That is exactly what I want everybody to experience. That log is in fact a easy chapter to master. Log is in fact a very easy chapter to master, and you guys will experience it in just a few more minutes. Okay? Yes, Yash Patel, logarithms is very important, not just for JEE, but also for your NEET exam. Very good, guys. It is 2. The answer is 2. So all those who said 2, you guys are stars. You guys are stars. Brilliant, brilliant. Keep it up. So now let me solve this question for you. What are they asking? They're asking what is log 100 to the base 10. Do you guys understand this is the question? How many of you understood that this is the question? Everybody got that? Yes? Everybody? So now can I say I will take this value to be x because I don't know. I am about to find it out. I don't know what this is. I am about to find it out. So can I say that it is equal to x? Everybody got it? So now if I convert it to exponential form, what is the exponential form of this? The exponential form of this is 10 to the power x is equal to 100. Now it is laddu. Now it is a laddu question. So easy to solve. What is the answer for this? 100 is equal to 10 square. So bases are same. Compare the powers and powers will be equal. Powers will be equal. And that is why 2 is the answer. That is why 2 is the answer. Brilliant, na? Misha, I hope you liked it. I hope you guys are all enjoying the session. Now we will move forward to the next question. Are you guys ready for one more question? Exactly. It's a big alwa, Tirupati laddu. So many terms you guys are giving. But now let me go to the next question that I have for you. Over here. Please try it out, guys. Everybody should solve this. Please go for it. Please go for it, guys. All of you try to solve it. I want you to find the value of x if log of 243 to the base 9 is equal to x. Can you please try it out? Nope, nope, nope. That is not the answer. No, don't be fast. Don't be fast. Think about it. I won't give very easy question always. I know you guys will do it. That is why I made a small twist. Very good. I see 2 people have answered it. Okay, 3 people have answered it. 3 people have answered it. Nobody else. Nobody else. Okay, now people are getting it. Now people are getting it. Very good, very good, very good. The answer is, now who will get the star? The answer is 5 by 2. So whoever said 5 by 2, you guys will get a star. Brilliant, brilliant. Very good job, guys. Absolutely awesome. Now let's see how to do this. Some of you are saying, sir, I don't know how to solve it. So I will help you. Listen carefully. So someone is asking, why, sir? Rajendra, don't worry. I am going to help you understand how we do this. So first of all, how do you convert it into exponential form? Rajendra, can you tell me that? So this is logarithmic form, na? Whenever you have logarithmic form, try to convert it into exponential form. So how will you convert it into exponential form? It is nothing but 9 to the power x is equal to 243. Do you agree with me on this? Do you agree with me on this? Very, very good, guys. Superb, superb. You guys are amazing. So 9, I will write it as 3 square to the power x, and 243 is 3 to the power 5. Do you all agree with me on that? 243 is what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 to the power 5. Are you all clear with it? So now, can I say 3 to the power 2x will be equal to 3 to the power 5? So bases are same. Compare the powers. If you compare the powers, you will get 2x is equal to 5. And that will give you the answer. Done. That is how you do it. Okay? Everybody clear? Did you guys like it? Everyone? Very, very good, guys. Amazing. So that is how you develop your log. So let's move forward. Let's move forward now. Moving on. The next question, another tricky question. So many good questions. Let's see who is going to get a star for this. Let us see who is going to get a star for this. Please do it, guys, all of you. Everybody try to solve it. I'll have some water in the meantime. Okay. The base is 7. The base is 7. Someone is asking what is the base. I think it's not clear. It is 7. Okay. Now the energy is back. So what is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Please tell me. Please tell me what is the answer. So many of you are saying C. And majority is always right. Because we have brilliant students here. At the Enthuse channel, everybody is a genius. And you guys are absolutely right. So everybody gets a star. Everybody gets a star. Brilliant work. It is answer C. Because I will explain it to you in a few more seconds. Listen carefully. So this is logarithmic form. Can you guys convert it into exponential form? Can you guys convert it into exponential form? Please do that. What will I get? I will get 2x square minus 1 is equal to 7 to the power 2. Do you agree with me on that? Do you agree with me on that? Yes? Very, very good. I will come to your doubt, Satish Kumar. I will come to your doubt. Wait a minute. Okay. So can I say 2x square minus 1 is 49? So can I say 2x square is equal to 50? Can I say x square is equal to 25? So x is equal to plus or minus 5. Now Satish is asking a very good question. Sir, you only told x should not be negative. Now you only are saying x is minus 5 is also correct. Guys, please understand, this whole thing is x. So when x is minus 5, this whole thing is still positive, na? Satish, don't forget that, okay? It is not about x. It is about what is present here. That I want it to be positive. So when I put x is equal to minus 5, it becomes positive, na? So no worries. So minus 5 is also correct. Did you all understand that? Brilliant, na? So good question, Satish. I appreciate you for asking that. Brilliant one. Brilliant one. So shall we move forward? Everybody clear now? Everybody got the stars? Yes? So let's move ahead to the next one. Moving on, guys. Finally, we are coming to laws of logarithms. Now we are coming to laws of logarithms. Please listen carefully because this is important. This is important. So this is the first law. I want you guys to make a note of it. This is called as the product rule. This is called as the product rule. Okay. So I'm going to give you examples. First, note this down, guys. These, you just take it down as a fact. And you have to remember it. Sudruti Dash, let me know what is the doubt. I will help you. Definitely. Yes. So everybody clear with this, guys? All of you? Shall we look at some example? So let me give you an example. So let us say you have log to the base 10, 2 into 5. Now can I write it as log to the base 10, 2 plus log to the base 10, 5. Is this correct? Is this right? Give me a yes with a thumbs up. Give me a yes with a thumbs up. If you guys agree this is correct, give me a thumbs up so that we will all understand it that it is correct. Because Sudruti, x can be negative, but when you put x back inside, the whole term becomes positive, Sudruti. Please go back and check it. You will understand. I've explained it very slowly. Check it out. So shall we move forward, guys? Everybody got it? So you understood the application of this? You understood how to apply this first law, which is the product rule? Everybody got it? Brilliant, brilliant. So let's let's look at one common mistake which people make, because I won't just teach you the formula, I will tell you where you will make mistakes also. This is the most common mistake. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? Yes or no? Is this correct? Yes or no? Are you guys able to see this? It is not correct, guys, because product rule. Product means multiplication. Here it is addition. You cannot use this property. Understood? So when you have addition inside, you cannot do anything. Don't do this property. This is not allowed. Got it? Now I gave you one more beautiful result. When you have multiplication of more than two terms, when you have multiplication of more than two terms, still you can apply it. So I can extend it to any number. I can extend it to any number. Let's say you have log to the base 10 of a into b into c into d into e. That can be written as log to the base 10 a plus log to the base 10 b plus log to the base 10 c plus log to the base 10 d plus log to the base 10 e. Do you guys agree with me on that? Are you able to understand this? Are you able to understand this? Yes, everybody? Are you all clear? Jumana, we won't have up to that. We won't have up to that. Don't worry. Okay? Such questions come up in sequence and series. I will probably take it up when that chapter comes. So shall we move forward? Let's take a question now. I think it's time for a question. Please do it. What is the right option? Is it A or is it B? Is it A or is it B? Can you guys please do it? Everybody, let me know what do you think is the right answer for this question. Yes? That cannot be reduced, Uday. That cannot be reduced. There is no formula for that. Everybody is saying A. Very, very good, man. You guys are so easy to teach because you're all smart. You're all smart. So A is the answer. Whoever said A, you guys get a star. So let me know how many stars you got, okay, at the end of the class. Let me know how many stars you got at the end of the class. So how do I do this? First of all, I have log 2, 4 plus log 5 to the base 2. So do you see that base is same? Do you see that base is same and they are added? So can I use the product rule and say that it will be to the same base? When I have plus, I can multiply these two. So do you guys agree it is equal to log to the base 2 20? Are you all clear? That is how we do it. That is how we do it. I hope you guys are all clear with it. If the bases are all different, we cannot do this. If the bases are all different, we cannot do this. Be very careful. That's a good question, Surya. That's a good question. So make sure the base is same. Only then you can use this property. Only then you can use this property. So shall we move forward, guys? Are you all ready for the next one? The next one is going to be your division, that is quotient rule. The next one is the quotient rule for logarithm. I hope many of you are already aware of this. So this is called as your quotient rule. So what does the quotient rule say? It says log to the base 10, let's say 5 by 7. How many of you say that this is correct? Hi Gaurav, no problem man, please do start from the beginning, that is better. Guys, is it lagging a lot for everybody? Can you just give it a few more seconds? Please refresh the page. Please refresh the page. Everybody clear? Thank you guys. Okay, try refreshing because refreshing seems to work for everybody. Okay, so guys, can you all see this? Can you all see this? Is it correct? Is it correct, everybody? Do you all agree that this is right? Absolutely. Very, very good, guys. Brilliant, brilliant. Yes, Pranjal, we will go to that because log, Pranjal, there are two sessions. One in the morning, which is now, and one in the night at 8 o'clock. So that will be advanced level. So guys, if you want to attend that session, come prepared. Otherwise, it might be a little bit difficult to follow. I said 8 o'clock we will have advanced level session. So please come prepared. Anti-log is not needed for IIT. It is not needed for JEE Mains. It is not needed for NEET. So anti-log will not be covered. It is of no use. Please get over anti-logs. It is only till 10th standard. Okay. So shall we move forward? Everybody? So shall we move forward? Everybody? Brilliant, brilliant. So let's go ahead. Now, what is a common mistake you will do in this particular property? What is the common mistake that people do in this property? Is this correct? Is this correct? No. Subtraction, you cannot make it subtraction. Subtraction, you cannot make it subtraction. That absolutely is wrong. That absolutely is wrong. I hope you guys got it. Same way, is this correct? Second one? Second one is also wrong. Second one is also wrong because you are dividing whole. It is not whole division. Rather, it should have been like this. One second. So it should have been like this. One second, yeah. This is the correct form. This is correct. This is wrong. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? I hope you guys are able to follow that. Everybody? Very good, guys. Brilliant. So shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? Yes, Gaurav. Try to refresh your page, Gaurav. It will be fine. Okay. So let's move to the question now. Please try to solve it. Which is the right one? Is it option A or is it option B? Is it A or is it B? Yes, Kirito, you are absolutely right. Who is the right one? Let me see. Let me see the chat. Very good, guys. Brilliant job. It's absolutely correct. Everybody is right. B is the answer. So if you told B, you get a star. You get a star. Okay. So let's have a look at how to solve this question. So I have log 28 to the base A minus log 4 to the base A. So now can I say that the base is same? So can I write it as log to the same base 28 by 4 by using quotient rule? And that will be log to the base A 7. That is nothing but your B option. I hope everybody is clear with it. Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Let me know how is the Josh. Are you guys excited to learn logarithms? And are you guys getting better at it? Are you all getting better at it? Yes? Very good, guys. That's what I want. That is only satisfying and exciting for a teacher, isn't it? Okay. Great. Thank you for letting me know. Let's proceed. Let's proceed now. This is the next one. This is called as the power law. This is the power rule. So when you have power in the number over here, you can bring out the power to the front. For example, if you have log to the base 10, 2 to the power 5, I can write it as 5 log to the base 10 2. Do you all agree this is correct? Do you all agree this is correct based on your power rule? Do you guys agree based on the power rule? Yes or no? Very good, guys. Brilliant. Good job. Keep going. Amazing. So yeah, let's move forward. I hope everybody has got it. I'm going to give you a question based on it. Uncharted is saying, sir, can you please explain it again? So this is called as the power law in logarithm. So what we do here is, whenever you have log 2 to the power 5 base 10, so if this number has power, you can bring it to the front. That is what I did. Uncharted. I hope you got it now. Clear? So let's try to do some questions based on this concept. Okay, please do it, guys. Please do it. Very good, Madhavi. Brilliant. So yeah, try it out, guys. Everybody express this as a single logarithm. I want you to express this as a single logarithm. Can you guys tell me, is it A or B? Which is the right answer? Is it A or is it B? Saurabh is saying B. Others are saying A. Who is giving Saurabh company? Nobody. Okay. So Saurabh, do you want to change your answer? Do you want to change your answer? Or you want to stick to B? Gaurav is also saying B. So guys, the answer is A. It is A. Majority is always right. Because as I said, you guys are smart. It is option A which is absolutely right. So let's give a star for our boys and girls. Okay. So let's try to solve it. So what do we have here? First of all, 2 log to the base A 5. Can I write it as log to the base A 25? Are you all okay with that? Are you all okay with that? Yes? Very good. Same way, 3 log to the base A 2. Can I write it as log to the base A 8? That is 2 to the power 3. That is 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2. How did I do that? I did using power law, power rule. I did using the power rule. I hope you guys got it. Is that clear? Now it's very easy now. The question becomes log 25 to the base A minus log 8 to the base A. So when you have minus, what do? You divide. You use the quotient rule. You use the quotient rule. So that is why it is option A which is the right answer. I hope you guys liked it. Everybody? Are you all clear? Yes? Very good, Michael. Brilliant, brilliant. Keep it up, keep it up. Yes? Very good, very good. So let's move forward, people, to the next one. What is the difference between log and ln? This is the $1 million question everybody has. This is the $1 million question which everybody has. Yes, Mr. Boy, that is valid. That is valid. Okay. So now let me explain it. So guys, please understand, ln is nothing but log to the base e. So if you say ln of x, that is nothing but log to the base e of x. E is called as the value 2.718 approximately. So this is a very useful number. We will study it in 11th and 12th standard. ln is called as natural logarithm. ln is called as natural logarithm. Okay. Now you might be asking, sir, what is the difference between this and this? Let me tell you, in 11th and 12th standard, both are the same. In 11th and 12th, both are the same. But till 10th standard, you would have studied log means log to the base 10. Till 10th standard, you would have studied log means log to the base 10. But now you have to forget it. Now you have to forget it because from 11th and 12th, we will always use natural logarithm as far as maths is concerned. As far as maths is concerned, E is called as Euler's number. E is called as Euler's number. E-U-L-E-R. Euler's number. I hope everybody got it. That is your E, and that is equivalent to approximately 2.718. Got it? So now you guys are clear with it. Now you guys know what is the difference. Yes? Hi Gaurav, yes, tell me. Very good. It is also called as Napier's constant. Yes, 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 you are right. Euler's number also you can call it. Yes, you guys are absolutely right. Absolutely. So Rajendra Kumar, the difference between log and ln in 11th and 12th both are the same because ln is natural logarithm, which means log to the base e. In 11th and 12th in mathematics, we will use both in the same manner. But until 10th, if you guys studied log, you would have studied log to the base 10. And in chemistry, when you do pH, there you will use log to the base 10. When you do chemistry pH of a solution, you will do it in log to the base 10. How many of you know that? How many of you knew that? Did you guys know that before? Exactly. Yes, Bharani, it is not Euler, it is Euler. Okay, so let's move forward to the next one. Can you guys please do it? Everybody, please try to solve it. Let me see if you guys can crack it. Let me see if you guys can crack it. Please do it, guys. Yes, Gaurav, let me know. Okay. Uncharted 2.303 is to convert between them. Is to convert between log to the base 10 and log to the base e. Whereas 2.718 is the value of e. It's the approximate value of e. Okay. So can you guys do this? I think Hitesh Mehta is absolutely right. Hitesh Mehta, very good. Okay. So let me solve it. So guys, first of all, do you all agree? Do you all agree? Okay, let me just go back. Do you all agree 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3? Do you agree with me on that? Very good, Tanka. Very good. Absolutely right. Perfect. So can I say 36 is equal to 2 square into 3 square? Can I say that? So now if I want to take log to the base 10 36, it is equal to log to the base 10 2 square into 3 square. So can I say it is log to the base 10 2 square into means plus product rule. So log to the base 10 3 square. So power rule, I can bring it to the front. Power rule, I can bring it to the front. So do you agree? This is nothing but twice of log to the base 10 2 plus log to the base 10 3. Laddu question. Exactly right, Gaurav. You are right. Absolutely correct. I hope you guys are all clear with it. So shall we move forward? Yes? Can you guys take one question as a homework? This is the homework question. I want you guys to comment down the answers below. So if nothing is mentioned in the base, what is the base? Can you tell me? If nothing is mentioned in the base, what is the base? Can you tell me? Yes, Angaj Chodankar, tell me. Sirish, Vinay, Aditi, just now I told you, in 11th and 12th standard, it is E. It is not 10, it is E. It is natural logarithm. Whenever you don't have anything mentioned, it is to the base E in mathematics. I am not talking about other subjects. In maths, 11th and 12th standard, it is E only. When nothing is mentioned, take it as E. Got it? So this is the homework question. Everybody try it out. And guys, you can take this as a problem solving right now. Please do this question. The previous one is the homework one. This one I want you guys to solve it. Can you please do it, everybody? So Jagadish is very quick to answer. Jagadish is absolutely right, man. Very good. Oh, the same sum is there in Tamil Nadu textbook, it seems. Yes, Unita, try to solve this question. Guys, how is the Josh going on? I see that everybody is going silent. Come on. I want you to solve it. I want you to let me know how is the Josh. Are you still excited? Everybody, are you still pumped up for the session? Yes? Very good, very good. Exactly. Yes, Gaurav, I know that. This exact same sum is there in Tamil Nadu State Board book. Okay, great. So now, let's solve it. So how do we do this question? The answer is log 2 by 3. So if you set this, you get a star. Okay. So let's try to solve this, guys. Everybody listen. So we have log 26 by 51 minus, right? So can I say divided by 91 by 119. Do you guys agree? And to the base e, because if nothing is mentioned, it is to the base e. How many of you understood till here? How many of you understood till here? Everybody? Very good guys. So this will be log to the base e. Now when I cancel it, what will I get? 26 by 51 into 119 by 91. So 26 13 table 2 times, 13 table 7 times. 17 3s are and 17 7s. So this 7 and this 7 will cancel. So finally you are left out with log to the base e 2 by 3. Okay? Did you all like it? Simple? Very easy, na? So are you all getting comfortable with logarithms? Will you practice and come before the 8 p.m. session? Will you guys practice and come before the 8 p.m. session? Because 8 p.m. is advanced level. It is going to be very interesting and very new to most of you. Okay? So please prepare and come, because 8 p.m. is going to be awesome. That is why I've kept the best at the last. And we also have a session with me and Wasim sir at 6 o'clock, wherein we are just coming to talk with you guys. That's it. No teaching, no questions, just to talk with you all. Be there at 6 p.m. Okay? So guys, with that, we will conclude. We will do the remaining ones in the next class. Okay? So if you guys liked it and if you are ready for the 8 p.m. session, please let me know in the comments. We will meet sharp at 8 p.m. today. Hi Mr. Misha Bharti. Nope. There are lots of chats, so I didn't know that. Yes, tell me, what is your doubt? Yes, guys. How is the Josh? Are you all excited for 8 p.m.? Are you all excited for 6 p.m. session? Will you guys be there? Everybody. But more importantly, guys, I want everybody to like, share and subscribe. Did you enjoy the session today? If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. Let everybody know. And this is coming at totally free of cost, guys. So you can do us a favor by helping reach many people. Like I said, the family is just 5,000 now. We want to increase it to 1 lakh. And will you do it? Let's keep a deadline. When do you think we will reach 1 lakh? When do you think we will reach 1 lakh? Do you guys think we can do it together very fast? Do you guys think we will reach together very fast? Yes? Deepak Shah saying tomorrow. Tomorrow is impossible, man. Gaurav Kaushik, after a month. 1 week. Okay, let us see. After 5 months. So guys, it all depends on you. So let us see how quickly you make us go there. Please do like it right now. Share it to many of your friends and subscribe it if you haven't. Okay? So with that, we will conclude our session, guys. Take care. I had a lovely time with all of you. I would love to see you all again at 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. today. Take care. All the very best. Keep working hard. And this is Shimon Joseph signing off. Bye-bye.